How to automate dropshipping fulfillment. My name is Elias, and in this video I'm going to show you how to actually fulfill all of your orders so that they are automatically going to be processed without you having to basically do anything for it. Now obviously the big problem with dropshipping is that if you're going to buy your products off AliExpress, you will have to then manually buy everything, and in general this is just going to take a lot of time if you have tons of different kind of orders incoming. That's why I'm going to show you how to actually automate everything. Now to automate all of your orders, you can use an app called Zendrop. I will leave you a link for this down below, and Zendrop is basically just a dropshipping all-in-one solution. First of all, they have a pretty big product catalog, so basically they have tons of different products in-house, and they can then give you really fast shipping times to the US and also to the EU. But no worries, they actually also allow you to directly integrate different kind of AliExpress products onto their software. Now as you can see, they will also give you some scaling resources as well as quite a good support and increased efficiency. Now in my opinion, Zendrop is definitely one of the best dropshipping apps out there. As you can see, where dropshipping basically works like this: order is going to be placed, order fulfilled, order shipped, and then profit. And with Zendrop, they're basically going to do all of the work for you. All that you basically have to do is choose a product, which I assume you already have, but even if you don't, Zendrop will actually allow you to give you a kind of a variety of winning products which you can choose from. And then once an order is going to be placed, Zendrop is automatically going to fulfill that order. They're going to automatically ship that order, and also with Zendrop, one big upside is that basically the shipping time is really good compared to all of the other AliExpress products and so on, and then you will just get the profit margin for you. Now Zendrop will also help you to scale with you, so basically they have all sorts of different features which we're going to go over later on that will help you to actually build up a brand rather than just dropship random products, which can help a lot with profits as well as scaling. How Zendrop works. Now first of all, you will have to find products, which Zendrop will actually help you to do. Then you can import them within one click to your Shopify store, and Zendrop will then automatically fulfill all of your orders and ship them fast to your customer's doorbell. Now as you can see, quite a lot of people are already satisfied with Zendrop. So let's quickly get to the pricing part. Now Zendrop does offer a free plan. As you can see, you will get access to 1 million plus products, world-class support, product sourcing, quick order processing, and industry-leading shipping time. Now I will actually leave you a link for Zendrop down below. However, with the free plan, you won't actually get automated fulfillment. However, you can actually easily select all of the orders and fulfill them within one click. However, if you want to go for the automated fulfillment option, then you would have to go for the Pro plan, which is going to cost you $49 per month. And if I find any kind of cheaper tool that is going to offer the same features, I will actually let you know, and I will make a separate video, so make sure to subscribe to not miss out for that. Now on top of the automated fulfillment, you will actually also get unlimited orders per month. So the free plan actually won't allow you to process unlimited orders. However, you will get that with the Pro plan. You can also set up custom branding. So basically, if you want to, you can set up your own kind of custom logo, custom text, which can help a lot with the overall brand image. And you will also get a variety of US products that directly are going to be shipped within the US, which are going to have great shipping times. Now, if you want to go for the Plus plan, on top of all of these features, you will actually also get access to the in-house Zendrop Academy, to product bundles and subscription boxes. Now, these two things are basically two ways to basically create MRR, monthly recurring revenue. So basically to generate a monthly cash flow using your Shopify store. Then you can also do chargeback management with Zendrop, as well as private product listings, trending product finder, and $100 in order credits. So basically you will get this for $79 per month, but you're going to get $100 in order credits, which you can use to actually fulfill orders. And you can also use stuff like trending products finder to basically find winning products that a lot of other people are currently dropshipping that will most likely also work for you. Now I will actually go for a 7-day free trial right here, and once again, link for that down below. So you will just have to put in your personal information. Obviously can't help you with that. And then you will also have to put in your phone number. And then you will just have to click on sign up right here. And right here you will then get an offer to directly upgrade to the Plus plan for a 7-day free trial, which we're going to do. And right here you then have to put in all of your payment informations, which I'm quickly going to do. And once you've successfully put in your payment information, you're going to be greeted like this. And as you can see, now we can actually get started with Zendrop. Now, the first thing that you will have to do is to actually connect Zendrop to a Shopify store. So to do that, you will just have to head over to your Shopify dashboard. Then you will have to go to view your online store. And then you will have to copy this link right here on top. Then you will just have to paste it in right here. And then you will have to click on connect. And it's as easy as this. Now you will just have to install the Zendrop app. So just click right here. And now everything is successfully set up. Now Zendrop is pretty simple, but still let me give you guys a quick overview. Right here you can actually look for all sorts of different products. Like for example, if you want to go for a portable fan, then you would just have to look for that. And then you have tons of different options for that exact product. Now, but if you actually want to go for AliExpress products, as you can see right here, you will just have to click on import from AliExpress. And then you can put in whatever kind of AliExpress product you want. Now the big upside for using these products that they have listed on Zendrop right here is that these products are usually cheaper than on AliExpress and also have great shipping times. As you can see, the average shipping times for this is 12 days, but usually it can also get lower than that. I've also seen products that have 5 to 7 days shipping time, which is kind of unheard of in the dropshipping scene, as most of the AliExpress products usually take 1 month to actually arrive to the customer's doorstep. Now you can then actually add products to your list. And then you also have other options like branding. You can actually add custom logos to all of your products, and you can then basically build up your own brand, which will also allow you to charge more prices. You can then go for bundles and boxes. This will basically help to generate recurring commissions. And then you can also use AliExpress import, and you can also find winning products using the trendy products feature right here. So as you can see, all of these products lately gained some kind of traction over on Zendrop. That's why they've actually listed it on this page right here. So that's also a thing which you can go for. They recently also added stuff like print on demand. So really you see, besides automated fulfillment, you're going to get tons of other useful features. So as you can see right here, you can actually get started building your own print on demand store. You can add your own designs to this. You can allow the customer to add custom designs to this, and so on. Now they also have a warehouse coming soon where you can basically see the inventory of all of your products. So that's also a thing which you have to look out for. Now as for the dashboard, right here you will just see all of the orders. And then you can also see this orders to fulfill button right here. Right here, first of all, you can select branding, and then you can just head over to the branding page, set up your own logo, title, a message, and so on to actually brand all of your products. And then you will also have this auto fulfillment option right here. And it's as easy as this is. Once this is ticked on, you will just have to link the product from here. So you will just have to click right here, and then you will have to find the correct product either on Zendrop or on AliExpress. So in this case, I will just, let's say it's this product right here. And then let's say this is a large. And then I will click link product. And then we would have to align all of the products to the correct. And then we would have to align all of the products to the correct. And then we would have to align all of the product variations. Now in my case, as this is a t-shirt with 2 color variations and different kind of sizes, this is actually going to, I'm just going to do random stuff right now, but this is actually going to take a little bit longer than it probably is going to be for you. However, with dropshipping products, usually you don't have that much variations anyways. So once you're ready, you will just have to click on confirm right here. And once everything's set up, all of your orders are going to be automatically fulfilled. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, as always, you can leave them in the comments down below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.